a cold start of my Yonaka exhaust. Got a deep bass sound. Not too loud though. Neighbor friendly. Yeah. Okay, the car is dirty, but I don't care. Look at this beautiful day. Let's go for a ride. But before we go anywhere, I have to disconnect the fake sound. Yes, the GR86 and the BRZ do come with a little speaker underneath the dash that gives you engine sounds that are fake. Some people like it, some people don't. I have a video where, an earlier video that I made that I'll put a link below, where I disconnected that fake sound, and there's an easy way to do it. There's a difficult way, which is not my way, and there's an easy way, which is the way. Just to quickly go over the easy way, and this is reversible, so you can connect or disconnect the fake sound to your heart's content, and you will be fine. First of all, just take off this panel on the passenger side of the car, comes out just like that, and you'll see this white module. And up in here is a connector, which if you have very small fingers, you can get in there, disconnect that connector, and you will be fine. Can you see that module with the white label? It says sound control. I don't know if you can see that. Sound control, there you go. And do you see, and as you can see, there's a little connector on the bottom. My fingers are touching it right now. You push in the tab, pull down with your other finger. There you go. Your sound has been disconnected. Your fake sound has been disconnected. All right, so you can see how easy that is, and it's easy just to plug it back in. So you choose what you want, fake or real sound. But for today, I want no fake sound. I want to hear my new Yonaka. I want to hear my new how do you say that? Is it Yonaka? Yonaka, or is it Yonaka? I don't know. Anyway, my new Yonaka exhaust. I want to hear it today. So let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. A ride in the GR86. Yes, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, everybody. And it's a beautiful day to take my GR86 out and see the difference in noise or sound that having my Yonaka muffler makes. So right away, the first thing I gotta say is that it's a lot quieter than some other exhausts. So if you're trying to be obnoxious, if you want to annoy your neighbors, this is not the exhaust for you. Yeah. There's definitely a deeper sound, which is what you want. The best muffler exhaust system will give you a deeper sound and cancel out those high-pitched noises, which are so annoying. The Yonaka muffler, it does that. Oh, and it's got the burbles. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, I've never had an exhaust that did that on a car like this. That's great. I mean, the Hellcat used to do that, but this is fantastic. So you get a little burble just as you downshift. That's cool. That's entertaining. A bit of those pops and bangs. It's happening with this muffler. Now, what I'm also going to check for today, I'm going to go on a higher speed road and check to see if there's any drone from the exhaust, because I've been getting a lot of messages, people asking me, is there any drone with this muffler? And I'm going to find out. Okay, we're going on a bit of a highway here, a little bit higher speeds, and there is no drone. No drone at all, which I didn't really expect there would be, because this is a fairly mellow exhaust system. So yeah, no drone at all. Oh, Yonaka pops and bangs. There you go. And then we turn around this curve and then we accelerate out. All right, there you go. A road test of my new Yonaka catback exhaust system. And I gotta say, I'm totally impressed. In my previous video, I did the install and I liked the construction. I liked the finish of the whole muffler. It was really great. It went on easy. Everything fit perfectly. And they gave me a free t-shirt, a hat, and a license plate holder. So I'm very impressed with that. But after today, I'm more impressed because this is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a more sophisticated sound, nothing too loud, nothing that's going to annoy the neighbors. And I love, the best part is the burbles, the pops and bangs. Yeah, it does that. It does that for sure. So that's entertaining. It's an entertaining exhaust, but it is fairly quiet. There's no drone. And I think it is for someone who doesn't want anything too loud. So if you're looking for something that's going to attract attention, this is not the exhaust for you. This is fairly quiet. There's no doubt about that. But for me at this point, that's what I'm looking for. And also, the exhaust tips are just the right size, 4.5 inches. Any larger and it starts looking a little bit silly. This size is about 1/2 inch bigger in diameter than the stock, which I think is just right. It fills up the opening without being too ridiculously large. They could stick out a little bit. They do a bit. I would like it to be just a little bit more, but you know, for safety's sake and for regulations, that's the proper sticking out amount, whatever you call it. All right, so my conclusion is buy this exhaust if you want something that's entertaining but not overly aggressive, that your neighbors will not be angry at you. There is no drone. If you're not hard on the throttle, it's just a little bit deeper sound than stock and a little bit louder. So this is a sophisticated exhaust. It's a great sound and it's perfect for me. All right, that'll do it. So thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. And please like and subscribe for more GR86 content.